If you need an excellent display system that is affordable but will last you a while, this one's for you. The Triga Go, an easy to set up, versatile display system. The whole system is so lightweight, anyone in your team can move it, but it's also sturdy. We were blown away by how easy and intuitive it is to put together. We didn't even use the instructions, it's that simple. Please make sure that you do read the instructions because safety first and, well, we don't want to get sued. Anyway, why are we talking about this, you ask? Well, at 1 Minute Print, we love to share about new products in the printing world. But we have made a pact with ourselves that we will only shout something out if we actually believe in it and have tested it ourselves. If you've been following along, you can see that anybody could put this together. You may have also noticed that I've not used a single tool this entire time. Not only is Triga lightweight, but it's also durable, made with really high quality materials. So if you have a smaller budget, it's a great investment because it will last you a number of years. One of our favourite specs is that it's eco-friendly, with an aluminum structure. Triga Go also enables you to unlock your creativity by giving you endless options to lay out your display. If you can imagine it, you can build it.